Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I have the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G and together we will go ahead and insert a SIM card. As you can see here, we don't have any signal, so we can't make phone calls or anything. And also when we go to our settings and go to connections, then we can go to SIM manager and we don't have any SIM card inserted. So now we're gonna go ahead. You can take your SIM card ejector or a simple paper clip and then look for your SIM card slot, and on this phone it's here on the side, and you can go ahead and put that in and then take the tray out. It's a bit hard, honestly. And now you can see that we have space for one SD card and two SIM cards, so two phone numbers in one phone. And now we're gonna go ahead and put the SIM card in one of the places, and then we take the whole thing and put it back in the phone. And now we need to unlock our SIM card. Now we are back in the phone. And if we go to our settings and go to connections, we see here that we have SIM1, our Kongstar SIM card, and that we have signal now, so we can make phone calls, you can send SMS and whatever else. So that's how you insert a SIM card to your Galaxy A14 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Bye.